Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Amadin Etiosa. I want to appreciate every one of you that have subscribed to my YouTube and also taken one or two resources from my channel. I so much appreciate every one of you. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Facebook Pixel to your website. Alright, the reason for that is that Pixel enable you to track whatever thing that is going on your website. For example, you are trying to run a sales ad, you are trying to run a lead ad. With the help of a pixel, you can track and monitor whatever thing that is going on your website regarding your Facebook ad. Alright, so this particular video is going to take you through the process of connecting your pixels to your Facebook, to your website rather. Alright, so without wasting much time, like as you can see, this is a Facebook account. Alright, this is a Facebook account. So now, to get to the aspect of connecting your pixel, you move over to what's called Business Manager. Right, the link is, let me go over it again. This is the link, business.facebook.com. Right, once you come over to this particular link, as you can see, then come to where you have business settings. This is business settings. All right, good. Other time, if you don't want to go through this process, you can as well go to business.facebook. Sometimes it will take you to the meta suite. So from there, just come over to this side. From your meta suite, you will see where it says all tools. Click on all tools. You will see ad manager. It will take you to this part. Okay, so once you are here, now let me first of all go to this is a new account. Rather, this is a new account. So if you come here, this is it. All right, this is a new account. So, and you can see they are saying, is it? Okay, good. So you can see where it says go to account overview. All right. If I click on account overview, now you can see the process they have to take. It says add your payment method, add your Facebook page, right? To do all of this process before you can begin running your advert. All right. Then now, what I want to show you in this video is how to connect your pixel to your Facebook. So if you come to this part, you will see business settings. Click on business settings. Click on business settings. Then come to data source. You can see data source here. Click on it. You will see data set. All right, click on it. So once you do that, you will see that it says account BM does not have any data set yet. So what you do is click on add. All right, so I will give my pixels a name. I'll just say, I can say contact pixel. All right, so I'll just give it a name. Whichever name you want to use is fine. Okay, so I'll do that. Once I do that, I'll click on create. This is the pixel ID. Can you see now? This is the pixel ID. Now to connect this with your website, you go over to your website. This is my website. Then come to plugin. All right, this is your WordPress. You must have gotten your WordPress ready. All right, come to plugins and click on add new. Can you see it here? This is add new. Then come over to this side and search for pixel cat. Right, search for pixel cat. This is it. You can take your time to get the name correctly. Pixel cat. This is it. Pixel cat. Click on install now. Click on install now. You can see that. Then you click on activate. Right. So the moment that is done, you can now good. Whenever you install a plugin to your website, it will always appear on the left hand side. This is the pixel cat here. Click on it. All right. Now it says pixel ID. Come over to your ad manager. You see your business setting. You see the pixel ID. This is the pixel ID. Just tap on it. It will click to copy. Just tap on it like this. It will copy. Then come over to this website. Paste it here. Then click on save. All right, so once you are done saving, you can now come over to add Facebook event. Click on it, then select all pages. All right, then leave this other two like that, page visit, view content, and you click on save. All right, then you click on save all settings. Right, good. This is how you connect your pixel to your website. Then the rest of the job is from your website. So from your website, for your Facebook here. All right, so the next thing is you assign people and you assign assets. Click on assign people. All right, do this. Then I'll say manage data sets and I'll click on assign. All right, good. That is done. Then click on assign assets. All right, I want to use this particular account to manage contact pixel. So I'll click on this and I'll click on add. All right, good. That is done. So the next thing for me to do is to go to my event manager. You see it here, open in event manager. Click on it, it will open a new tab. All right, to open a new tab. Okay, so just close this. Just close this. Now you can see that there's no event here. So what we do is copy the link of your website, which is this. I'll copy the link of my website here. All right, so once you copy the link of your website, open in a new tab, install a Chrome extension called Pixel Helper. You can see it, a Pixel Helper. All right, Pixel Helper extension. All right, so just search for it. This is the Pixel Helper extension. Click on it. All right, add to Chrome, add extension. All right, good. So this is the Pixel Helper. So it will help us detect if a pixel is on our website. I'll just put it there, open it, just make sure it's active, open it like this. Just okay. All right, can you see that? You can see what it says, pixel detected. This is the pixel. You can see the number here, 771. If you come to your page, you can see it here, 771. That's the pixel. Now the pixel is active. All right, the pixel is active. So what we'll do next is to make sure, all right, is to make sure you can refresh this. Once you refresh, okay, all right, so come over to text events. All right, so come to this place to text the events that we have done. I'll just paste the URL and click on open. All right, good. Can you see that now? It said receiving activity. This is it. Okay, so what we'll do next is to make sure, all right, we just wait for a while. So the moment you connect your pixel to your website, you can see where it says no website found. All right, we'll just give it some minutes. After that, my website will pop up here. All right, so which signifies that the pixel was connected successfully. All right, so that is how you fix it. So I'll just pause this video. Once I come back, the pixel might have shown here, the website might have shown here. So we'll just finish up this particular aspect. All right, hope you are getting value from this particular video. If you are doing so, just give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any question. All right, as you can see, my domain name has appeared here. Can you see in our website the domain link? Can you see it now? So that is how it is. Okay, so the moment you connect your pixel to your website, it will definitely appear here, just like what you are seeing. All right, so this from this particular aspect. Now, once you are done here, you can now move over to your, where is it? You can move over to your ad manager. You can see where it says confirm payment. You can skip this, then add your page. All right, add your page to your website. Okay, hope you got value from this particular video. Thank you so much. If you are having issues, like I said before, just drop your comment. I will definitely respond to it. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. All right, I appreciate every one of you for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.